I find that the space between being stagnant and being proactive is often just the difference of asking, what's the next action? I can't overemphasize this enough. So what I find is that a lot of times you and I will justify our procrastination by saying, I need to think about this, or I need to still decide about that. Now, there's nothing wrong with thinking or deciding, but I often find that we use those words to push things off further. So if you're gonna think about something, what would it look like for you to be thinking? Are you gonna write down a pros and cons list? Do you need to set up a meeting with somebody to have a discussion? Or if you need to decide about something, I would ask, okay, well, what information do you not have that you need to have in order to decide? And what's the next action you need to take to get that information? So asking those questions can be the difference between stuck and moving.